Alright. So just arrived to Athens. And we have the hotel behind me. Let's see. Let's check in. Currently. Oh, look at this bus. So that's full. Okay, so far it's freezing here, but it's okay. Yeah, so apparently it's like 100 years old hotel, and it has a really cool lift. That's why I picked it actually. So yeah, just waiting for Esther to finish her phone call, and then we gotta check in and try this cool lift. But yeah, I really like this area. Lots of shops, and it's kind of a little bit reminds me of oh, actually on the very back you can already see, well, you can't because of the trees, but that's up there, the Acropolis. So yeah, we gotta go up there later. Anyway, okay, let's check in. Hol kell becsek. Mindent felveszek. Ó, nézd ott a lift. Ah, so that's the cool lift I was talking about. How you doing? I'm checking in, yeah? Yeah, checking in. So, we're going up.
Που λες εγώ βρίσκω, απλά εγώ τι ξέρεις,
This is cool. Hello. Oh, that's the Americans over here.
Az most hozzá.
Honnan tudod, hogy melyik emelet?
Hát ő tudja, nem?
Nem. Szóval ez az. Biztos az, nem?
Hát szerintem még nem.
Mindegy, most meg. Okay. 3. This. Alright, so let's have a look. Room tour. Not too big, but alright. I really like that everything is everywhere is written. Hotel Cecil. Okay, nice toilet. And there is no message like don't throw the toilet paper in the thingy. Nem, de azt olvastam, hogy lehet egy-két helyen az van.
Ja, tudom.
Okay, so this is the key. This is what we need to use the electricity. And this is the bed. Small enough, but it's nice. I like it. We have a mini TV here with some nice Greek channels. A little desk if you want to work or something, but I don't want to. And basically that's it. Oh, and the most important of all, the view. We're gonna check the view because we have a view over Acropolis from here. I don't know what you're gonna see. Let's see. Why they put this shit here? Oh, over there, Acropolis. Oh my god, it's pretty fucking cold here. But yeah, looks nice. I imagine living on this terrace here. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna head out because a little bit hungry, obviously. So yeah, let's find the first souvlaki.
Hát nem tudom, gondolom.
Oh, you're going down. Yes. Look at this architecture, Mr. Otis. Oh, here we are. Ah. Do we have to keep the... yeah. Alright. Thank you. Jó kezdés. Erre menjünk. Menjünk az Akropolis felé, vagy először erre? Menj, kerüljünk úgy érte. So, we just gotta go and get some food. It's about time. And a beer. The first Greek beer. I almost said in my life, but not. I had some before. Okay. Where is this crazy guy? Here.
Πιο μικρό το σμαρτάκι. Θα έλεγε.
Oh, fucking car. Mindenfele nézek, egyszerűen mindenhol valami van. Wherever you look, you find something interesting. This roof garden. Erről beszéltem. You're gonna come back here. I'm just gonna make it. Proper video about it.
Venga, bro.
Nice. Hey, look at
Έλα πίνω με 7 ευρώ. 7 ευρώ τώρα, 7 ευρώ. Αλλά κάτι γελά, δεν είναι αυτό.
This is cool.
Αλλάξατε.
Έχει δίκιο τώρα. Εγώ άμα ήμουν θα είχα δώσει μια εκποψία.
So I'm gonna come back to this market maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to do a proper video here. But yeah, so far it looks really cool. All the fresh. Milyen jó illata van. It smells so good, this whole thing. Menjünk ki a napra. Okay, so famous Monastery Square. This is the street where we stay. And now the first glimpse of, well, almost the Acropolis. Now it's actually behind this building there. Ennél turistábban nem is nézhet meg ki. Megállunk mindent. So we are in Plaka and can have the first Greek meal. It's like a late lunch, I guess. Let's see. Not pasta. Egész olcsó, nem? Ilyen 10 euró körül van minden.
Tessék, itt van Greek salad, na?
Guinness. Ooh, okay, I know which beer I'm gonna have. Ooh, don't know what to eat. Look at this place. Pretty cool. Alright, let's pick something. Hey, how are you? Here we go.
So, I would like to eat a Greek salad and to drink a Mythos beer. Big one.
Big one?
Yes. That's all.
I'm gonna have this pork skewer with French fries and pint of the fix, the
Okay,
big
big
one.
one?
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's it. Thank you. So, the beer arrived in like a second. And I think we also get some peanuts. I mean, I think that's what it's inside. Let me try to open it with one hand. Look at this. Oh! Some peanuts. Very good. Oh! Nice. Yeah.
Megkérdezik, hogy ki hagyja itt.
Wow, this looks good. My first Souvlaki. Anyway, let's eat.
Я им считаю, что вот он кому куда-то там что-то помнит. Ну, как он будет? Deve from cartão, último café.
6, yeah?
Haydi.
Only option.
Înțeleg mintea hufșa.
Simt vlog.
A GoPro. ثانية. ثلاثة زميلة بينهم.
כן, תחנה את זה תחזור.
Köszönöm az egyenletet.
אין לך מוח, אתה יודע.
גם לכן. פה אתה
Melegnek tűnik.
זה כאילו רק פי 2 גובה. אבל זה יותר בר, זה לגמרי בר. Chevrolet to the
Meg drága. És itt ez hogy van?
Hát
Itt kell kimenni, nem? Nézd el. Hát lehet, hogy csak feljöttünk fotózni.
lehet.
Amúgy. How are you? Alicia? Do we order inside or?
If you sit here, you order here. If you sit inside, you order inside.
Okay. Yeah, maybe we sit here and then we move around, no? And then?
Ja.
Jó, néz ki. Nem terveztem hidegbe ülni. Good morning. So last night was really fucking freezing, so I didn't finish filming, but today looks lovely. Look at this. Sun is shining somewhere there, Acropolis, that's where we go today, but first we're gonna have breakfast. The most important part of the day. Yeah, I had a nice sleep here, but I just spilled some beer here, so there's no beans, but that's alright. Anyway, yeah, let's go and have some breakfast. Look at this beer, upside down. Alpha. I still can't figure out. Ez nagyon fura. Hey. Itt van. So this is like a hotel tour. Look at this. Very nice. It's quite here, no? Breakfast tour. Ezt tulajdonképpen beviszem is az asztal. Ez egy Greek jogurt.
Yeah.
És ez honey. Oké, van. Jó. Yeah, it looks good. So I guess it's just take and go. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's